All right, this is the SOL-30-NC solar charge controller from Solisto. This particular model is a PWM 30 amp version, supporting 12 and 24 volt nominal system voltages with auto detect functionality. We also have a 40 amp version available, as well as a 30 amp Power Ready Express control panel available with this charge controller. On the right hand side, we have a USB port giving you 5 volts at 1 amp current output. On the top, we have a model number sticker giving you some basic information about the charge controller, your serial number, and then all the way over at the right side is an RJ12 port giving you RS-232 communications with Modbus. On the back is just a heatsink, and then on the bottom is all your wire terminals. You've got solar positive and solar negative, battery positive and battery negative, and then load positive and load negative. In terms of custom programming options with this charge controller, you've got lighting control mode, which is the default mode that the charge controller ships in, and to disable that, you just put the charge controller into mode 17. We have a video on that. It also tells you how to do it in the user manual. There's also adjustable low voltage disconnect and low voltage reconnect set points. And then also a choice of 4 different battery chemistries, including flooded lead acid, AGM, gel, and lithium iron phosphate. If you're interested in picking up some of these charge controllers, please visit the links in the video description, which will take you to our website. We also have links to our sales representatives, so you can reach out to them and get any more details or information or quotes otherwise relating to any of the products mentioned. And please also check out the playlist that we have, which will show you all of the other videos we've made about this product line.